What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome to my channel. I am Gaston Mapala, right here at Maths with Gaston. Today, let's look at this video where I show you how do I make my videos behind the scene. As you can see right here, I'm working on analytical geometry example for grade 10. There I am drawing my diagram on Microsoft Word. I'm busy constructing it, putting all the coordinates F, and then also on my Cartesian plane, changing the colors. Now I have a look at there. I said, okay, no, it's covering the triangle. When I put it over, now I'm gonna make it a little bit shadow. Working at G is 1:1. Put it over, and you can see it's no longer hiding the triangle, but it's just overlapping around it. Now I'm gonna make the same coordinate of H, where there's X and Y, and then X and Y is an unknown. And then from there, I try to put it in a little bit in the middle. I also try to increase the thickness of the triangle so it's blue and thick so that it's visible for everyone to see. Now I come here, I look for a snipping tool, then so that I can snip this diagram out. I snip it out, snipping it out nicely there. Then I copy it, then I go and paste it on my PowerPoint where I'm going to work on the questions as well. I try to align it nicely so that when I'm busy working on it, you guys can see it as well. I also duplicate the slide, put it in another slide as well. So right here now I'm going there, I make it a landslide. Then I also take my drawing tablet and then I start writing the questions that are related to the diagram. And they see there, it says find the following coordinates, the coordinates of H if the midpoint of, if H is the midpoint of ED rather. And then I'm just writing the question down right here. I'm using PowerPoint, and then there's also a software that I'm using to record my screen as well so that you guys can see what I'm doing. If you want to learn more about what I do behind the scene, please subscribe and stay tuned to this channel so that you can see everything that I do. But for now, I'm just showing you how I construct my question. Sometimes these questions, they don't come from my head. I get the questions from textbook study guides. I'll also let you know which study guides I'm using, but I always try to avoid copyright and then personalize the question, and also put questions that I know that are very, very important when it comes to understanding the concept. So I construct my questions from scratch, even though I'm using other sources of material as well, but I try by all means to cover the critical concepts so that it makes easy for you guys to understand. Now I'm finished here with this question, and now I put it everything nicely. Then I'm gonna go to my software and start recording. Yes guys, now when I go to my software, if you really want to know which software I'm using, how do I use it, and also which other digital equipment am I using to record, please stay tuned to this channel, and then I will definitely share with you everything that I do, and we will share everything together and make sure that we assist each other and in understanding what is happening behind the scene. So I am Gaston Mapala. Make sure that you stay tuned. See you on the part 2 of how to create tutorial videos, and make sure that you subscribe. See you on the next upload.